Hey cowards, Von Hungover here, and today we're gonna have, let's see, I don't have all that much time today, so it's gonna be a short stream, but we're only doing simple stuff today, so it's probably fine. I believe last time I said I'm gonna continue with attacks for phase 1, and that's exactly what we're going to do. I think this is gonna be pretty easy. Because they're pretty simple. They're mostly like projectiles consisting of sprites that are just in the game by default. We have the bullet bill, which is number 1C, and we have the ball bomb, which is number OD. So we're just we're gonna make those. We're gonna make them happen. So let's see here. P1. I don't think we have made any attack handler for phase 1, so we're gonna add that. I think this is gonna be pretty simple. See, how did we do it here? We just get a random number, right? Roll, previous attack, whatever. Yeah, we're probably gonna use this exact one, actually. Let's just copy this, actually. Place it here. We don't wanna make sure we don't GSR, we wanna jump. Yeah, that's right. So we don't need an RTS here. We're gonna, see. We're gonna call this, the first one is going to be a shoot bullet bill, like so. Then we're gonna have toss bomb, I guess. And then this one, what are we gonna call it? Jet boost. Let's go, baby. So these are the 3 attacks we're gonna have. We're probably gonna set up like an RNG assist table of some kind, so we can roll these with like various likelihoods of getting each one. So for example, we'll probably want this one to be a bit more rare and these to be more common, but we're still gonna keep the RNG control that we made to make sure that they can never do the same attack 3 times in a row. Two times in a row, that's fine. 3 times, you ain't doing that, boy. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. What is this stuff? Mario X something compared to 60? Oh, right. This is the, like enraged attack for phase 3. We're not gonna have that in phase 1. Fuck that. So here we go. Attack timer, and the process, previous attack, attack, previous attack 1. Yeah, that seems good. We compare it, of course. We clamp it, just in case something goes wrong. If you're careful, you really don't need these, but I don't know, I like to have them anyway. Maybe it's better to remove them, just because then you get an error if you mess up, and you probably crash the game. So you know that you have an error, whereas if I get an error here, like I get an invalid number, I'm not gonna notice. It's just gonna become this one instead. But whatever. So what do we do? How is this done? RNG, just and 1. Okay. I think what we're gonna do is we'll make another table here, call it random attack. And we'll do, so we're gonna have like 16 entries here or whatever. And what we're gonna do is we take RNG, we get and F to get 16 values, a tie, and we load random attack. And then we just put the values of these, like the indexes of these, indices maybe, that's what you say. Hello Anna, welcome to the stream. Today we're doing attacks for phase 1. We're gonna do a bunch of projectiles. It's gonna be overall pretty simple, and we're mostly gonna like put effort into making sure the attacks feel fair, I guess. Anyway, so we're gonna use this random number to index this table and just use that instead of the raw value of the RNG. And we want, like I said, bullet bill and bomb should be common attacks, right? So let's give them 6 entries each, and then the last 4 will be jet boost. So this one will have a lower chance of occurring, like so. So now you can see there's only a 1 in 4 chance that the boss will choose jet boost, and then the other attacks both have a 3 in 8 chance of occurring, which is a bit higher, 50% greater chance, right? So that seems fine, right? Let's see, physics. Maybe this has to be done before physics, actually. Let's see. phase 1 walk. I guess so. I guess we should put this before walk. That makes a lot of sense to me. Phase 1 attack. Wait a minute, this is phase 1, right? Yeah, just didn't rename it yet. We're gonna copy this, and yes, we are going to add the attack labels I just made. Let's see. I just I just used the labels, right? I didn't actually make them. I just said that we have them, so now I have to also make them. Toss, bomb, jet boost. Let's go. And now we go up here, and we add this above phase 1 walk, phase 1 attack. Awesome. So now we can jump to those. We have the attack timer. We probably want this to be a little lower. Actually, we probably want different timers for different attacks. We'll make sure to add that. For now, they can stay at 128 frames each, just to test this stuff. And we remember, on each attack one, we have to start with load sprite index in X, and we also have to include an RTS. We need the LDX sprite index, of course, because we're using X to index the pointer table. It sounds like my tea on the stove is done, so I'm gonna go get that. Be right back. Yada. Okay, let's go. So we're just gonna make this, see if it even assembles. It doesn't. Jet boost was not found. Jet boost. Just boost. Get that boost, boy. Oh, nothing happens. I guess we pushed the. We probably pushed some nonsense return address or whatever. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's nonsense. We want to push P1 walk here, like so. That should be good, I think. Make. Yeah, that works. Destroys those blocks. Of course, it's not doing anything because we didn't put any code in the in the attack codes. So let's see. Let's find the previous here. This, we're not gonna have this anymore. This debug code. Instead, we're gonna put this in. We're gonna show in the coin counter which attack he's doing currently, just for debug purposes. Let's see, P1 attack here. So this attack is the one we're actually using. So we'll put that there. Now we should be able to tell if he's actually rolling different attacks. And it seems like he's rolling different attacks, right? He's running a lot of 2s, which is a little concerning because that should be the most rare one. But I guess it can happen. Maybe we should add a special rule for attack number 2 or something. I don't know. Maybe he can only use the jet boost if you're far away from him, because it's a little unfair if you're like here and then suddenly he just speeds up and hits you, right? Because there's no like telegraph that he's gonna do it. Unless we add a telegraph, we could also do that. That's probably gonna be more up to the graphics artist more than us, though. I don't think there are any great sound cues we can make use of. All right. I didn't destroy that one. That's weird. Oh, I see. It's because the interaction point is like here, right? And then like the interaction point goes like this, so he barely misses this block. That's a little that's a little sus, right? That's mad sus, bro. I don't think we can have that. We're gonna have to do something about that. We'll worry about that later, though. We're not really doing QA stuff right now. Like, no quality assurance yet. That's what we're gonna do later on. Right now, we just want to get stuff like. We want to get to the point that we can start really, we want to like implement all the features we're gonna have, and then once we have done that, we want to start polishing them. Because we don't really want to put like a lot of effort into a feature if we're not even sure it's gonna be in the final version, right? And because this concept is still a little bit up in the air, I would rather like build broadly and then build tall, if that makes sense. Like I would like to start by just getting a version of every feature done, and then worry about making each feature actually very good. So that's what we're doing today. Shoot bullet bill. Here, we're just gonna use the default. Excuse me, the default sprite spawn routine here. I think that's plenty fine. This is some, of course. I've been talking a lot about optimization, right? Like I even rewrote the fucking terrain collision detection thing. But I'm not very worried about it here because like he's gonna spawn one sprite and then he's done. He's not doing this every frame, so this is not very important. Whereas the collision detection is being done several times every frame, so it's very important that it's fast. This one is a lot less important because it's being done like, I don't know, once every 2 seconds at most. So if this is a little slow, that's fine. Spawn sprite, and we want the bullet bill CLC to make sure it's a vanilla sprite. Let's see what the other parameters are. Spawn sprite. No, it's not spawn extended. Dingus. Spawn sprite. X, Y, and then XY speed. I think for bullet bill you don't even need to set speed, right? I'm not sure. What could it be? What's the offset of the cannon he has? We're just gonna use the same offset there, I think. Where's the graphics? Here. Gun. Epic gun. So it's this tile, right? FAE6. FAE6. FAE6, that's what I said. I'm just repeating it like a dumbass to remember it. Let's see, you remember once that you did the mole borer from Mega Man X Armadillo stage, and destroy terrain was very annoying to do because flickering when you destroy 4 blocks or more. Also issues with the HDMA when destroying blocks, and to do that, destroy the blocks consistently. Yeah, it's almost like stripe image is a horrible invention. That's the only reason you get flickering for destroying 4 blocks. I'm assuming that used stripe image. In Extra Mario World, I have moved all stripe image uploads to just use DMA mode 4 instead, which is roughly 200 times as fast, and I'm not even exaggerating. It is 200 times faster than stripe image, and I have never had any issues with the black bars from destroying blocks since. So if you can spare the effort, move to DMA mode 4. It's way better than stripe image. It does everything stripe image does, but better. It's so much better. Okay, where was I? Spawn sprite. Let's see if it works. I think this should be fine, right? This should. Oh no, it's gonna spawn one every frame now. This is not fine at all. We have to do this. Attack. BMI. Main. Like so. Main is just whatever, I guess nothing. Come on! Stupid. Okay, you know how you can press backspace, like go hit the back arrow in Windows? Like sometimes you can't do it. Like sometimes it's like, oh, you selected this, so now you can't do it. Like you're in this menu, even though you're clearly here. It's so annoying. But yeah, I guess I'm cranky again. Okay, he shoots. He shoot. He shoot. Boom. It doesn't seem like it spawns in the right place. Oh, of course, because the what was it? FAE6. FA is when the boss is facing left, so it's actually +6 here. I guess I just take facing into account though. Okay, is he just not rolling any other attack now? Like, come on, man, what are you doing? What is happening? What is happening? He's only rolling this move now? What in the world? Alright, I mean, this seems like it works, right? Like, this is fine. But that's weird. Well, let's make sure this is what it should be. Oh, oops. Let's get there. And if we are facing the other direction, we get, it's this, right? If we're facing left, this is fine. Otherwise, we just load whatever minus FA is. I guess it's 6, but I'd rather do this. It's clear that I'm doing something weird, right? Do you do this? Is that how you do it? That looks so weird, but I think it's actually how you do it. Also, let's add a little smoke puff or whatever. FA, let's push this, I guess. What if it gets, does it get overwritten? It probably does get overwritten, right? Like, never trust these routines. E6 is correct though, it's definitely correct. There. And now we get the Smokerino Buckaroo. What is the spawn smoke, right? It's the same here. Timer. You need to set the timer. This is for number 1. What is number 1? Puff of smoke. Okay, so it actually tells here use 1B. Wonderful. Smoke. It's a little annoying that you have to remember like various timers for all the different smoke sprites. It doesn't like just tell you all of them. Oh, spawn smoke redefined? What do you mean? What do you mean? Spawn smoke oh, did I make my own? Right, I made my own spawn smoke label. And if you call no! If you call this macro, does it mess with your main labels too? Really? Alright, whatever. Alright, I guess we're just doing this instead. Spawn smoke. How you doing, Adam? You got any questions? Anything you're thinking about? See if this works. Yeah, that works. I'm confused as to why he always does. Oh, of course. I think I know what is happening. Shoot bullet bill. What's happening is that it goes to 0 because we're clamping it the wrong way, probably. Maybe that's what's happening. Increment A. So no, I actually don't know what's happening. Process. So go here. Load attack. Okay, why does 1? How in the world does 1 go to shoot bullet bill? Yeah, they're probably a leftover from when Super Mario World was meant to be developed for the NES, right? You know what I'm wondering most about Super Mario World is that like all these like weird sprite types, like smoke sprites and bounce sprites and coin sprites and score sprites and extended sprites and minor extended sprites, why are they not just one sprite type? Why are there so many different tables? Why can't we just have all of them in one system? I think that's way better. Also, I gotta figure out what this is. What is going on here? Why are we going to shoot bullet bill? Shoot bullet bill. What's happening here? We'll figure it out. See if I can. So it's on C9, right? So that's 1. It's on 81. Now it's on 0, and it's on 80. Oh, yeah. 0 and 80. Now it shouldn't be able to do that again because it rolled that twice in a row. So it's going to roll. Yeah, it rolls 1, but it still shoots. Why does it shoot? It rolled a 1. Hey, okay, so it got here and it was on 1, right? So it does this, ASL A, tax, and then jumps here. It's like, how does it end up here? How does that happen? How does that happen? Actually, how does that happen? Okay. So I guess we're going to do the most fun thing ever. We're gonna debug this. Yay! Let's go, debugger. Yeah, very understandable, Anom. I agree completely. So we want to see 2 C8s in a row, then we're guaranteed to get what we want. Come on, give me the double CO. We got it, we got it, we got it. No, 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 damn it. There we go. So what's happening here? Push that, load this. It's 1. It's definitely 1. Right? It's 2. X equal to 2. We jump here. And we return. What gives, dude? Wait, what is this? How do we end up here? Oh yeah, face, whatever. Wait, am I like reusing attack somehow? What is attack? Surely that's gonna be used in everyone, right? Yeah, that's not being reused. Alright, we're gonna set a new breakpoint here. So, where was it? It was here, I guess. Let's set this as a breakpoint. That should do it. And we put that on execute. X equal to 2 again. So we're going here, return. But he's still shooting it. What's happening? Anon, help! What's going on? He still shoot bullet bill. I have no idea what's going on, dude. I have no idea what's going on. This shouldn't be possible. Well, I guess we'll do this again, and this time we'll just step further. Here, push that. But you have to do a third part because you weren't finished to do all the remaining stuff. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. So we're pushing this, we're restoring that, it's 0. Okay, so now it should shoot a bullet bill. Then this is not interesting. It should happen, right? We're setting that, it's 80, we're spawning this, whatever. We go here, okay. That looks silly, it should be a jump instead of JSR RTS. And where are we now? Now we're on the face code. Yeah, we're doing speed, whatever. How in the world do we end up there again? Like, that has to be what it is, right? We do go to exactly that code. So, let's see. We'll just keep stepping for now. We'll keep stepping. See what happens. Where do we end up? Oh, I don't want to step through all these JSRs. That's too much. We'll jump a bit here. What is all this? I mean, I wrote it, but oh, I guess we didn't execute that. Okay, I don't know. I don't want to step. I don't want to step that much. What could it be? What could it be? It could be. So this is fine. Right? We're doing face code. Then we're going to animation, and here we're going to phase 1 attack. So we're here. We do this. We push phase 1 walk. So we go here after the attack code. I start scroll, whatever, we do all this stuff. Do all this stuff, collision, everything. Then we generate chunks. And we do interaction. Oh, there's no RTS here, that's why it's always doing it. Oh man. You know, sometimes it's just the, sometimes it's just the stupidest errors. Sometimes it's just the dumbest errors. Alright, there we go. There was no need to debug that really. Okay, here we go. Now he will sometimes shoot, right? Yeah. I feel like this like smoke sprite should like not go back so far. Well, maybe that looks more believable. I don't know. I don't really like how the bullet bill goes in front of the gun, but I don't think I can do anything about that with the systems I currently have access to. Unless I put the gun on like in the 200 block instead of the 300 block. I guess I could do that. I don't know if you're allowed to do that in Super Mario World though. You can get weird glitches and stuff. But it really should be fine, shouldn't it? We'll worry about that later. I don't think we should worry about that until we have the graphics at least. Okay, so we got that. Awesome. Let's see. What's the pilot's coordinates? What's the pilot's coordinates? We're gonna do the throw ball bomb now, and that's gonna go from the pilot. Yeah, I could do that. I guess that makes sense if it's not gonna come out of the gun anyway. Yeah, good idea. I'll move it a bit more. Let's see, where is the pilot? Which one is the pilot? It's pilot here. F6CC. Alright. And this one, we move it forward a bit, right? What should it be then? I don't know. F-8, I guess. That should be good, right? Like so. There we go. We'll do the same one for this. And then here, toss a bomb, and we'll copy the init code, I guess. And here we'll do F6 and where is it here? CC. We're not gonna push anything here though. Spawn sprite, also no pull, and then just return. But we actually have to set speeds here, and we are not spawning number 1C, we're spawning OD. What are speeds gonna be? They're gonna be, I don't know, let's try like CO on both, I guess. 2 and 3, see what happens. Whoa, that's the wrong direction, oops. Also, that was way too fast. Let's try EO. And then we do something else for this one, I guess. I don't know, 30 maybe. See what happens. Should the bomb start walking, or should it... Oh wait, that's stupid. Okay, this is really stupid. When he throws 2 bombs in a row, that just feels dumb. Why can that happen? I don't think that should happen at all. Also, I feel like the bombs should die when he walks on them. It doesn't really feel like the boss is super... Okay, this is weird. Maybe he should only be able to roll the ball bomb attack if there is no ball bomb on the screen. Because this is a little stupid, right? Most of the time the bombs just walk back towards him anyway. And also you have these like weird situations with like a bunch of bombs because they last so long. And then they kill each other and like... A lot of... Okay, so the bombs are actually gonna be able to hurt the boss. So it's really weird. It's like he's hurting himself most of the time. Like, you don't have to do anything with the bombs. Like, you just wait and he walks into them and he takes damage. So you can kind of just camp him over here. And you'll never lose. And the boss will just kill himself. That's really stupid. We don't want that. So we're not gonna have that. What we're gonna do, I think, is... okay, first of all, we're gonna make it so he can only spawn a ba-bomb if there is no ba-bomb already, right? How are we gonna do that? I don't really know. but we're gonna figure it out. And then we're gonna make it so that the bob-ombs also get stomped. They die if the boss steps on them. The obvious way to do this is to just here, like in toss bob-omb here in it, we just loop over all sprites, look for bob-omb. If we find one, go to shoot bullet bill instead, right? That's the most obvious solution. But we don't want that. We don't want this because this is really slow. This is really slow, looping over every sprite. Are you kidding me, dude? No way. Although maybe this is fine if it's only here. But more importantly, when we're checking for hitboxes, we don't want to loop over every sprite to look for bob-ombs every single frame. That's too slow. We already have more hitboxes than I think we should have, so this is just too much. So probably what we do is we just save the index of the bob-omb somewhere, and then we look only for that sprite. And we also have to check if that sprite is still a bob-omb, just in case something else will spawn in its slot or something. So we're gonna add a new sprite reg up here. What's your funny idea, Anon? Tell me. CHP. What's the next one? Off-screen vertical, probably. SA1 def. Okay, that's definitely not the next one. Sprite being eaten. I wonder if it's safe to use this one. Probably. No wait, 15DO. I recognize that one. Yeah, looking at my boss. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? If I can pick your brain. Let's see here. 15D8. Looking in the RAM map. Flag for whether the sprite is on Yoshi's tongue. Alright, so it's not a timer, just a flag. We can use that, I guess. Sprite being eaten. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna have to sort these pretty soon. But I'm not gonna do that today because I'm kind of in a hurry. I gotta go in 10 minutes. Let's see here. Bob-omb index. Sprite being eaten. Yeah, sure. You could do the villager from Age of Empires, and it builds towers or other buildings while you must try to damage him that is escaping from you. That's I had the exact same idea with the peon from Warcraft 3. But then it turned out it was actually really hard to like get models from Warcraft 3 into sprite format. So I never did anything with it. But I think it's a really cool idea. It's probably a lot easier with Age of Empires because they were sprite based, right? The old ones. I think the original versions of Age of Empires 1 and 2 were both sprite based. Yeah, they must have been because they were for they came out in like 95, the first one, right? I don't remember. Something like that. Let's see here. We get so we spawn this guy. Bob-omb index. I guess we have to check if it worked. Also, routines. Spawn sprite. Output. C equal to 0 equals spawn failed. Well, I guess we still want to do this because this is just gonna mean it's an invalid one, right? Yeah, okay. Save bob-omb. And the siege onager. The trebuchet! Let's go! Trebuchet, let's go. It can launch a 90 kilogram projectile over 300 meters. That's pretty based. Okay, so we save the bob-omb index, and then here what we have to do is we have to there, I guess. Like so. Let's see here. We do bomb index, and we load. What is it even that we're loading? Sprite num, right? We want the extra bits, I think. No, I guess we first want to check. What is it? Status. Sprite status. Why? Okay. I guess we call this spawn. We go. What else do we check? We need to check if it's still a bomb. Extra bytes. Really? Extra bytes? What? Oh, it's extra bits, of course. Extra bits. Okay, yeah, sure. And we can't load it index with Y. Ah, this is so annoying. Oh man. Extra bits. I wonder if we should add an SA1 if then else here. I don't know. No way. We'll do this. Extra bits, and I think we have to do this actually. Custom bit. Is that true? Custom bit. Yep. Custom bit. Custom bit. If it's a custom sprite, whatever, overrule. Otherwise, we do sprite num. It's probably gonna have another name here. This thing, sprite num. There. Like so. And then also we go to hitbox. That's not the one we want at all. JSR hitbox, I guess. I want to look for this, the foot, I guess. Not hurtbox. Where is the here foot? BCC no contact, sure. No Mario contact. I'm only loading Mario's hitbox once, I think. Yeah, no Mario contacts, and we're gonna put this here. No Mario contact. Otherwise, what we do is in here. I guess we do bomb index. BMI no contact. And then we have to, oh gosh. Oh, this is so annoying. I hate this so much. Extra bits. Sprite num there. Alright, we also need to here status. Here, that should do it. And then if this is happening, no bomb contact. Restore X, and then we also have to restore Mario's clipping values here. Get Mario clipping. And then here, I guess we load. We don't want this here actually. extra bits, bright down, whatever here. And we get the bomb clipping, which is going to be this, I think. And then here, check contact. That's right. No bomb contact. I did these like that. I guess I'll do this one like so as well. Okay, here, but bomb contact means we do set bomb to like that. And then 0x speed, I guess. Like so. The meme of the speedrunner. Which meme? I don't know which one. Let's see. Oh! Okay, he's shooting. He's shooting bomb. Okay, he's not spawning another one while it's out. Okay, that's good. Does he interact with it? He kills it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Oh, sometimes it just bounces into him right away. Okay, so now, if the bomb hits a wall and walks back, the boss will actually kill it before it can explode on him. That's really good. That's really good. It's really good. There we go. Alright, I was gonna do the third attack as well, but I'm really out of time. I have to go. So I guess we're doing the jet boost attack next time, which is not gonna be tomorrow because Sundays are always off. Sunday's a holy day and all that whatnot. I gotta take a break sometimes. But yeah, we made some pretty good progress today. I'm really happy with the RNG control we have and the bomb. Yeah, the RNG control plus the bomb extra rule. I'm very happy about that. We might change the roll balance of the different attacks later. But yeah, that's it for today. I gotta go. Thanks for the watch, Anon. Always great having you here. And have a good day. Bye!